How to enable direct video call option in Redmi, Realme or Poco. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have an updated version of your phone application. So just tap on the Play Store and search for the phone application on your device. So I'm going to do that over here and check over here. So here, as you can see, we don't have any option of update. So we're going to say that it is an updated version. So we're going to go back and then launch the settings application. Here under settings, tap on SIM cards and mobile networks. Here select on the SIM that you want to enable direct video call for. And as you do that, you can see at the bottom of the screen, use VoLTE. So voice over LTE. So you just have to toggle on this option and this will use VoLTE with VoLTE to improve the quality of voice calls. So now you can just go back and let's just call a very random person over here. So I'm going to make a random call over here. And until